In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images using Copilot. If you want a quick and simple way to create an image from a text description, Copilot makes the process very easy. You do not need to know any design skills to get started. All you need is an idea of what you want to create, and then you can let Copilot turn that idea into an image for you. To begin, open Copilot. Once you are on the main screen, look for the chat box. This is the area where you normally type messages or requests, and it is also where you can start the image generation process. Take a moment to make sure you are in the right place because most of the actions in this tutorial will happen around that chat area. Next, find the plus icon near the chat box and click it. This button opens additional options that you can use inside Copilot. After clicking the plus icon, look for the option that says Generate Image and then select it. This tells Copilot that instead of giving you a text response, you want it to create an image based on your description. Once you have selected the image generation option, you will need to enter a prompt. Your prompt is simply a description of the image you want Copilot to create. Try to be clear and specific so the result matches your idea as closely as possible. For example, instead of typing something very general, you can describe the subject, the setting, the style, the colors, or the mood you want. The more clearly you explain your idea, the better Copilot can understand what to generate. After you type your prompt, submit it and let Copilot do the rest. In just a moment, it will generate an image based on the description you provided. That is the full process. As a helpful tip, if the first image is not exactly what you had in mind, you can adjust the wording in your prompt and try again. Small changes in your description can make a big difference in the final result, so it is worth experimenting until you get the look you want. And that's it. That is how to generate images using Copilot. Once you get comfortable with the process, you can create everything from simple concepts to more detailed visual ideas in just a few steps.